Video with me. I'm too short.
Okay, so we got 3 pieces.
The Dutch braid.
Dutch braid.
All right.
Great for one of those days when your hair just isn't like
I'm gonna come down around the corner.
all ready to
The sun is
go.
like reflecting off the water. So.
We're videotaping. Say good morning. It's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay. We're all live.
So you just gather it, and then you want to hold this piece up here and kind of pull it under. You can start tight, and then you can loosen it after. But you kind of want to start tight. All braids, you want to kind of start tight, and then you can always loosen them after. Don't worry about having that flow that you want right away. And then whatever direction you're pulling the braid is the direction that it's going to end up. So if you don't want to have crazy pulling, crazy bumps and things, you're just going to be really mindful of where you're pulling. Can you put your chin down, please? Thank you.
So you're used to doing this with the girls.
I practice on them quite frequently. I like to learn new things. It keeps the styles fresh, and I like new ways to use my clips. I have several of my favorite clips in many sizes so that we can do different things with them. And I like variety. I get bored really easy, so. So you're just taking a piece, and then you're kind of holding this middle piece up here. And so it's basically a reverse French braid. And then just make sure that that gets pulled out. So you're pulling this out and over rather than in. And then I actually finish this usually with a regular braid at the bottom. So I'll just go to here. And actually, what we call a regular braid is actually called an English braid.
3-strand English.
3-strand English. This, and then you can make a bun out of this. You can loop it up under itself. Okay, so it's a little slippery on the ends here. It's always interesting. Everyone's hair has a different texture, so you kind of have to get used to how it feels. So this is my first time doing her hair, so it's not perfect up here. But then I do what's called pancaking, because this is kind of a popular way. But what it does is it adds definition and looseness, and it just makes it a little less severe. And you can see, you can kind of even pull out some wispy pieces if you want to.
And a couple of flexes over the right side.
We're going to use the Montana, real pretty piece here. And I'm actually going to take this now and tuck it under. And form a little chignon. And then we're going to go like this. Catch it here. And then, so it's a little severe there, so you can, again, once the flexie's in, it's actually so strong that you can even manipulate it a little further. And if it's not straight, just tilt it till it's where you want it. And you can even go even further here and really just pull those pieces out. And it just adds this really feminine definition there. And you could pull out side pieces if you wanted to, so there you go.
Thank you.